All right, guys, here we're gonna install some mirror caps on an F30, 2012 through 18, I believe they made this body style. These old ones are crappy and cracked. And I actually picked up a set of carbon fiber ones for $18.99. They came in 3 days. Pretty good. I mean, they're just, I'm sure this is just like that, like fake carbon fiber, but that should look pretty nice. So I've done a few of these before. I think it's pretty, hate to say this, but you just rip this thing backwards. It should pop straight out. So let me work on that and get back to you guys in a second. Okay, seems like the removal process is just to yank this bad boy out. I best start with the corner, is probably the best area to get that in. You just pull it as hard as you can. I tried the pry tool around it, but it just kind of damages this area. So just pull that thing straight out and it'll pop out. These are the tabs where your caps will fit into, like so. That's it. Once you have it there, just a matter of boom, that's it, pushing it in place. Big upgrade, $18. Stay tuned for more.